Discoverers, welcome to Fuerteventura, a biosphere reserve, and so called as a translation of the Italian Fuerteventura, which means good luck. It has 13 natural protected areas, 150 kilometers of beaches, 6 volcanoes, and 3,000 hours of sunshine every year. Are you ready for what is about to come? Remember, dozens of movies have been filmed here, like Wonder Woman, Solo, a Star Wars story, or Rambo, Last Blood. Today, you will shoot yours, and it will be full of action, adventure, and drama. Yeah, a lot of drama, because remember, as soon as the day is over, one of you will be eliminated.
I'm nervous, a little bit afraid. I don't know what's gonna happen now, and everything is going so fast. So excited, of course.
I don't know what they're gonna do. It's gonna be difficult, but it's also gonna be fun.